my name is Amelie and today I'm opening my first Snook.
Schnook?
Snook.
What the Schnook is?
So it's like this toy. So first you open, shake, style, and I got, so there is what?
Show me.
There
There is 4 secret hairbands hiding inside. So there's like Shazam, Snuggles, Shine, Shy, Sweetie, and Shimley. They also Snooky. Oh my god. So we're gonna try to open them, yeah?
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
How are we gonna open them?
So we're gonna tear this.
Yeah. How strong you have? Oh, okay, we're gonna open. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Good job.
Now I think I need the scissors to open. Oh, never mind, I don't. I'm powerless.
This looks like a pillow.
Yeah, because I have to shake it. It's just I saw this on YouTube, Adi and Maya. They was making a video and then they was know all about Shnooks and they had like all of them, but they had, I don't know how much they got, but it was so cool. So I was like, I want to buy it.
I think I have to open this. Do
Yeah.
they have all of them?
Yeah.
Oh, I have to be
I don't
careful.
know.
It's
But if
very
you're watching
weird.
this
It's like,
video-
oh, now you take it out. Are you ready? Steady?
It's fine.
So what you do?
Shake it.
Shake it,
1,
okay.
2, 3. Are you done?
Show me.
No, I still see flat. Ooh.
Ooh, that's accessories probably, yeah? And wait, does it come inside? And it says, be quiet.
It's hard to say because my
Oh, yeah. You keep losing tooth now. So this is nice one, purple, and matches the Schnook. And it's done now, yeah?
Yeah, I think so.
So she is a sweetie. And you can do her hair like this. Show me the sweetie. Does it look like now? Oh, it is. Look at that. Cute.
Come on, baby. I need to do your brush your hair.
Now you brush your hair first. And what you do?
Get a style.
Style.
Get away,
Oh,
dog.
yeah.
Get away, doggy. Doggy, you're not in this video.
We have a styling chair.
Not this.
Not this.
There.
So you're gonna put the chair in here. So everybody could see it. Yeah.
Stick the toe to this.
And I'm gonna open accessories. Ooh, look at the accessories. I'm gonna open them.
I don't want you to fall.
Yeah, put the seat belt, chair belt.
Now I turn around you.
And look what I got in here.
I don't need the seatbelt.
Whoa. So this is clips. You press them and you make like that.
Yeah, I'm in
That's
my
so
angel
cool.
costume, Halloween one, because in school I dressed up.
Yeah. The other one says, yeah, Amelie's an angel because she has Halloween school. Isn't that cool?
And does it come with bobbins? Oh, yes.
Oh yeah, look at the word shapes of the bobbins. A star,
A
love,
heart, a cloud,
and this one.
a
Shh, shh, show me. Shh, shh, show me. Show.
Maybe you can't see it right now. It looks like 8 boobs.
Ah, excuse me. Very good. So you're gonna style now, yeah?
Yeah. First I need a bun.
You're doing a bun first, yeah? Oh my gosh, she looks a bit like onion now.
Now she will.
It's so fluffy. Fluffy and snooky.
We spent the €8 on it.
Oh yeah, it cost €8, yeah? In the shop. And you got that €8
And then
from your piggy bank, Tooth Fairy, You done some jobs in the house? Yeah. Chores? Yeah. Yeah. So she saved money and she got that cute sweetie.
Wait, why did you spend my money?
What did you spend my money? Oh yeah, she wanted to spend my money.
Yeah, because you were spending money.
You have to work to get money. Did you know that?
No, you don't.
So what you done so far? Show me. Ooh, that's very cute. What about clips?
And I'm not letting you look at the kid.
Oh, that's gonna be secret, okay? You tell me when it's ready. We're gonna turn around, okay? Style number 1. Woohoo! Bravo! Bravo. Now you're gonna turn around back and make style number 2. Style number 2. Ooh, show me.
Oh, look at me, so pretty.
So pretty. Now, oh, you straighten her hair. Very good. Now gonna be style number 3.
Oh yeah.
Are you ready for style number 3?
3.
Whoa! Oh, she has little raisins.
I like doing raisins. I'm doing so slow.
Now, girl, sit down. You're gonna be so dizzy. Show me your feet. Whoa, that's so cute.
Wow, it's so dark.
Oh dear, she's getting dizzy. It's the first day she got out of the box, so she's a little bit cuckoo. Crazy, yeah? No sweets for you, dear. No.
Have a snooky day. Bye, guys. Shnooks.
Mwah.